Welcome to the course Scaling Up Power BI Development using Tabular Editor, Source Control, and Azure Devops. My name is Nikita Barsukov, and I am a Power BI architect in a Danish company, Novo Nordisk. Let's start with setting up the scene, setting up the context of this course. Let's go. This course is for experienced users. It is not for beginners, and if you're new to Power BI, if you're new to DAX and Power BI ecosystem, you should use something. You should choose something else. This course is most likely not for you. Then this course is focused on package of technologies and tools that we will be using together in a single package. Sometimes Power BI is not even the main focus of some of the sections of this course. We'll be talking about tools like Tabular Editor. Tabular Editor is a very powerful development environment for semantic model, for tabular model that powers Power BI reports. Then we'll dive into Git. Git is a common version control system used in software industry very widely. Then we'll talk about PowerShell. PowerShell is a command line tool, and we'll be using PowerShell for automating various tasks. And then last but not least, Azure Devops. Azure Devops is a powerful code hosting platform that we'll be using at the end of the course for various things. If you're new to to any of these tools, no problem, we'll get you covered. If you know some of these tools, no problem. Again, great for you. You'll have you have a little bit easier time. But if you're new to these tools and these programs, no problem. I'll explain everything that you need to get started. And then another thing is that this course will be built around three big problems in Power BI development. These problems should be familiar to everyone working with Power BI for some time, and they're definitely very common in my experience. So that is why I decided to build my course focusing on these three problems. So let's start exploring what these problems are and how this course will try to address them.